Hello and welcome to another episode of Shop Walk. Yesterday we were at the shop and the guys started working on the 69 Pro Touring Camaro that came in from Texas. We are taking the windshield and rear glass out and putting the Fesler flush mounted glass kit in it. So come along, let's see what the guys did. Just check it out. Y'all can bleep out.
That glass is broke, huh?
Oh shit, damn, it fell out.
Dang.
That's how we do it here.
Look at that.
Comes out.
That's how quick you take out front windshield, ain't it?
You just pull on it, give it one good little pull, one little yank, pops right out. Okay.
We actually already cut it.
Highly customized. How long can you hold that there?
I don't know.
Till I get back.
Yeah.
Once you throw it in the trash can, it's done. So what's the next step you got to do?
Fun to clean out.
Next step, Tyler got to clean all this glue off.
Ooh. Is that gonna be fun?
He's gonna love every minute.
It's still wet.
Some of it is. Yeah, I don't know what they put on there, but it's like, it's not regular.
Well, this wasn't just done either. This has been done for a while.
Yeah, it's got like sticky. It's a combination of glues and all kinds of crap. But hopefully we ain't cut this one out. All this for flush mount.
Yep. But it's gonna look 100% better than what was on there.
Maybe. Damn. Look at that. What kind of
That
glue?
stuff is nasty.
What kind of glue is that?
That is nasty.
And then we get the luxury of cutting, taking the stripe off and repainting the hole back in.
It's gonna be interesting when you put the other glass in and see how it fits. Little Fesler glass.
Have you done a Fesler glass?
Yeah.
You can't say things like that.
What? Well, I knew we knew what it was, but what did we put a Fesler glass in?
Lewis's car?
Oh, his was Fesler?
I mean, Fesler's the easy way to do it.
Just to let y'all know that we've done both Fesler glass and regular aftermarket glass, but there's a lot of more metal work when you do just a aftermarket glass on any type of car.
Whole lot more work doing stock.
Whole lot more work, he said.
Whole lot more work. See this gap right here? See, when you do a stock glass, you got to fill that in. You got to metal work all that.
Yeah.
Then body work all that.
The Fesler glass is
Fesler,
oversized.
You just got to pretty much body work the edge if you want a really nice gap. Come on, you got it.
That's the wrong way.
Go, little buddy.
That way. There's glue. There's.
Lift up. Lift down.
Lift down on it.
Yeah.
How you lift down on
You
something?
like jack a car down. Come on, little buddy. Done. Up. All the black crap. Try to keep it off.
Got it.
Hey, we didn't break this one.
We did break that one. For sale. The other one's on sale.
Look at this stuff. It's still wet. nasty. Not sure what was used, but it's not going to be fun getting all that out.
Fill it in for the glue that you didn't see the glue.
You having fun yet? Sure.
Yes, he is. I wonder how they attach that. So, that's interesting. Ain't that interesting? It's probably just glued in. Yeah, but I mean, it's glued in, but they glued the windshield. They glued to the carpet. Look, that's a piece of rubber. The rubber around the glass, they set that in. Cause that's two-sided on. And then glued around the edge.
You know what? They didn't ever think it was coming out again.
I guess I wasn't planning on it being waterproof either.
That's what the rubber was for.
If it was sealed, it would have you wouldn't have cut it out that easy.
Where was he complaining about getting water in? The doors or the...
Actually, the water was coming in on that quarter glass over there.
Oh.
The quarter glass is not... Yes, the door glass is not sitting in. It's not cocked up too high. Ain't that something? That is. That's showing up something. That's how we do it. It's just felt folded over. I guess that's one way to do it. Huh. Cool.
Got a long way to go.
And short time to get there.
So am I taking out the carpet piece? Or are we trying to leave that?
Well, we gotta leave his interior piece.
Right, that's this.
That's
the
this
felt
whole
piece.
panel.
But right here there's carpet
Well,
on this side.
You talking about that felt?
Yeah, the felt looking piece.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get that felt off because we gotta glue. We actually have to glue the glass in
Yeah. Okay. So I don't have to worry about really
because
cutting into
we
that.
can't. We don't. Well, we don't have a. We have to glue right there where that is because it's gonna have a body line gap around. You know, we stuffing a rubber down in it to hide it. Know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Follow me.
You can see the metal down in behind it.
You picking up what I'm laying down? You tripping over the drop cord?
That sounds like an OSHA violation.
Yeah, it could be.
Tripping over the drop cord. We abide by all OSHA standards. That's why I'm using a razor blade without cut-proof gloves on.
You getting down to the metal now?
Yeah, I'm getting it close. Closer than it was. But we're getting there.
Have to paint off the roof.
That'll be alright. It's gonna come off anyway.
Okay, Travis. This is what the owner said. That the Corvette guy who messed with the exhaust smell told him it smelled kind of strong, and he told him it smelled kind of strong. This is what he said. We sealed the opening with tape. Huh. It may have come loose or even come off. This is behind the license plate. If it still smells too much, you probably have to have a tuner check the fuel map. What does it look like?
Well, here's the old filler neck.
Okay. Huh. Yeah.
Huh.
I don't think that's gonna do it.
What?
Huh.
I mean, what the heck? I mean, it goes all the way up in there, don't it? Huh. Wonder what that little gizmo is.
Well, that's kind of strange, ain't it?
I've never seen that. That's one of a kind.
One of a kind.
One of a kind, boss.
That's one way to be one of a kind.
Jerry. Oh, but when I do it, it's stupid.
Well, that's it for this week's shop walk. We appreciate you watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel. That was part one of what we will believe is a two-part series on the flush mounted glass project. One thing you got to wait for next week is you are not going to believe what we found behind that filler neck behind the license plate and in the trunk area of that Camaro. We've seen a lot of stuff, but you're not going to believe it. So mark your calendars, next Friday. Check us out on Shop Walk. We appreciate you watching again, and we'll see you next time.